Welcome back to RV Road Report. Today, we have something truly special for all adventure seekers and luxury van lovers. We're diving into Mercedes Sprinter Camper Van Motorhome, a rugged, long-body 4x4 beast in a vibrant white finish that combines luxury and off-road capability. Stay tuned as we explore every inch of this amazing home on wheels, from its exterior to the tiniest interior details. Exterior front view. Here we are at the Mercedes showroom, standing in front of this magnificent Sprinter Camper Van Motorhome. Just look at that bold front grille and the iconic Mercedes logo shining proudly. The long, muscular body with 4x4 wheels instantly tells you it's built for adventure. Its vibrant white paint really stands out, giving a classy yet rugged presence. Trust me, heads turn wherever you park this beauty. Top side view. Now, let's take a look from the top. You'll notice the sleek solar panels perfectly integrated into the roof, powering all your gadgets while on the road. There's a high-tech antenna for connectivity and a compact AC unit to keep you cool during those hot sunny days. Every element on this roof isn't just functional, it's designed with style in mind. Backside view. Moving around to the back, check out the smartly mounted spare tire. It's rugged and ready for any terrain. Plus, there's a bicycle carrier that can hold 2 bikes comfortably, perfect for weekend adventures. The rear design balances practicality with aesthetics, giving you both storage solutions and a clean, stylish look. Side view. On the side, you'll love the pull-out tent setup for relaxing outside. It's perfect for morning coffee, a quick meal, or just soaking in nature. The long body accommodates this setup without compromising the van's sleek lines. Imagine camping anywhere, yet still enjoying the comfort of a luxurious space just a few steps away. Driving compartment. Now, step inside the driving compartment. The dashboard is modern and driver-friendly with 2 bright LED screens, one for navigation and one for rear view. The seats are adjustable, plush, and perfect for long drives. This setup ensures safety, comfort, and control, making it feel like you're driving a luxury car while being ready for off-road adventures. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the driving compartment, you'll find a flexible sofa-cum-bed setup. During the day, it's a spacious sitting area for relaxing or entertaining guests. At night, it transforms into a comfortable bed, offering a cozy sleeping space for a restful night on the road. The materials and finishes scream luxury, yet it's practical for real travel needs. Kitchen. The kitchen is compact yet functional, located conveniently along the sitting and sleeping area. You'll find a small sink, a cooktop, and storage cabinets for all your essentials. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a gourmet meal, this kitchen is everything you need, making a home away from home without feeling cramped. Washroom. Even the washroom is cleverly designed to fit in this compact space. There's a small toilet, a shower area, and storage for toiletries. Everything is thoughtfully placed, giving you comfort and privacy without sacrificing the interior's open feel. It's a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. So, that's the Mercedes Sprinter Camper Van Motorhome, rugged, luxurious, and adventure-ready, priced at around $210,000. What do you think about this incredible van? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, so you won't miss any future RV adventures here on RV Road Report.